जय श्री राम। सत्यमेव जयते नानृतं सत्येन पंथा विततो देवयानः येनाक्रमन्त्यु ऋषयो याप्तकामा यत्र तत् सत्यस्य परमं निधानम्. Mundaka Upanishad 3.1.6. This is our national credo. Truth alone triumphs, not untruth. By truth is laid out the path leading to the gods, by which the rishis whose desires were satisfied, in fact who managed to annihilate, destroy all their selfish desires, by which the rishis whose desire is satisfied ascend to where lies the highest repository of truth. So this is our national motto. Why is it not being taught in schools? As a result, today, instead of Satyameva Jayate, looks like our society has got used to Bullshit Eva Jayate, because we are tolerating all kinds of cults whose holy books are full of lechery, butchery and treachery. These cults should have been banned long ago. The world is still tolerating them. If we are truly dedicated to Satyameva Jayate, then we should fearlessly question them, bring them to the discussion table and dismiss them. That's it. But we are not doing that. And as a result, we are suffering. The entire society is suffering. All kinds of crimes are being committed with total impunity. And just recently, you must have seen the news. All the accused have been set free. From many crimes, they are getting set free. You can't even probably blame the judges also, because the whole system is so screwed up. The prosecutors are not able to bring the right kind of justice. The whole system is finished. So anyway, Satyam Eva Jayate still is there. It should not end up becoming a shibboleth. Shibboleth. Shibboleth means a meaningless kind of slogan. Unfortunately, we are bringing it down to that level. Satyameva Jayate nanratam satyena panta vitato devayanah yenakramantu rushayo hyaptakama yatra tat satyasya paramam nidhanam. Jai Shri Ram.